Hey there. Welcome to EduSphere AI, where we delve into the exciting future of AI in education. Stay tuned for insights and discoveries.
Are you as fired up about education and the incredible potential of AI as we are? If yes, buckle up because you're in for an electrifying ride. Now picture this, a classroom where every student is met with precisely the right level of challenge and support. AI can make this dream a reality by personalizing learning experiences in not just one, but two remarkable ways. AI also liberates you from those soul-sucking, time-draining tasks, letting you focus on what truly matters. Let's talk data. Mountains of student data hold secrets and insights invisible to the naked eye. With AI as our trusty guide, we unveil these patterns and trends, identifying areas of excellence and struggle. The grading grind. Imagine a world where grading is a breeze, freeing you from the clutches of tedious tasks like marking endless workouts and multiple-choice questions. AI grading tools swoop in to save the day, slashing your workload while furnishing students with invaluable feedback. By letting AI take the reins on administrative and grading duties, you're gifted precious time. Adaptive learning, anyone? With AI at the helm, student progress is tracked in real time, course material adjusting on the fly to meet individual needs. No more boredom-induced yawns or overwhelmed sighs, just peak learning potential. Say goodbye to guesswork. AI analytics usher in an era of data-driven decision-making, shedding light on course delivery strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to refine your teaching approach with laser precision. Ready for some real-time action? AI transforms passive lectures into vibrant discussions and Q&A sessions, inviting students to dive headfirst into the learning experience, questions at the ready, understanding deepening with every interaction. And now brace yourselves as we delve into the specifics of these extraordinary AI tools, unleashing creativity with ChatGPT for educators. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can spark creativity and innovation in the classroom. Here's how educators can leverage its capabilities. Feeling stuck in a rut? Brainstorm creative writing prompts, design interactive role-playing scenarios, or even develop scripts for student-led presentations with ChatGPT. Generate lecture notes, lesson plans, exams, and even basic code like Python, LaTeX, and MATLAB codes to save time and get a fresh perspective. Google Gemini, your AI co-pilot. Imagine having a research assistant, lesson plan co-pilot, and personal productivity coach all rolled into one. That's the power of Google Gemini for educators. Streamline research by finding relevant information and summarizing it quickly with Gemini. Need an engaging lesson plan? Gemini can generate ideas and even suggest multimedia elements to make your lessons come alive. Plus, it helps create differentiated materials to cater to various learning styles, ensuring no student is left behind. Personalization is key. Gemini can analyze student work and provide targeted feedback to help them improve. It can also generate adaptive learning activities that keep students challenged and engaged, maximizing their learning potential. Finally, Gemini helps educators work smarter, not harder. Automate tasks like grading or report generation, and use it to stay organized with to-do lists and deadlines. Copilot and Copilot Education are AI tools designed to revolutionize how students learn programming. Imagine having an AI pair programmer in the classroom. Copilot suggests code completions and functions as students type, helping them write cleaner, more efficient code. This fosters a more interactive and engaging learning experience. But what about students who are new to coding? Copilot Education is a dedicated AI tutor that provides personalized instruction and feedback. It adapts to a student's learning pace, offering targeted guidance and helping them overcome challenges. Both Copilot and Copilot Education encourage collaboration and problem-solving skills. Students can work together, leveraging the AI's suggestions to create effective solutions. Personalization is key to effective learning, and these two AI tools offer innovative ways to tailor the learning experience for each student. Imagine having a virtual tutor who can adapt to each student's needs. Elena, US provides personalized learning experiences by tailoring instruction based on a student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. It also tracks student progress over time, allowing educators to monitor individual growth and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. Wowzer AI takes assessments to the next level. This AI platform helps teachers create interactive assessments with built-in feedback. The assessments themselves adapt to student abilities, ensuring students are challenged appropriately and receive targeted feedback to improve their understanding. Discover more AI tools. Transforming education. There are even more AI resources educators and students can explore to enhance learning. Discover top educational resources with Curio. This AI tool recommends relevant materials, saving time for both educators and students in their learning journeys. Gradescope takes the hassle out of grading. This online platform manages assignments, automates grading, and provides detailed feedback, freeing up valuable educator time. Join EduSphere AI for further insights into these game changers. Explore additional resources using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts on AI tools in the comments. Let's shape the future of education together.
Thank you for watching our channel. Stay in peace.